Will you go?
Yes. Sir?
Please come here, come here. Super, super. You can visit any room.
Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. I made significant. Good morning, sir. I am James. I made significant contribution to mathematics, laying the groundwork for future discoveries. I am to not what they are in which its case nothing.
Great French mathematician in the 17th century. I saw this problem of taking the position of a point in a pen.
How to pronounce this? How to pronounce this?
In a discourse.
Discourse. Okay, enough, enough. You explain to parents. Yes,
So we are the team of four who is going to explain about the effects of AI in tourism sector in travel. The topics improved travel safety and security, sir.
AI in tourism.
AI-centric tools can efficiently discover potential threats at tourist destinations by focusing on robust security measures.
Yes, only one line.
Customized travel recommendation by evaluating a large amount of data, including travel history, search behavior, and the post-media interaction.
Enough. One line. I have to cover all rooms.
Media part by AI transform travel and tourism industry across personalized and efficient travel experiences.
Got it.
It's a complex strategy used in the travel industry to adjust the prices. It analyzes the demand and optimizes revenue for the booking.
Super. So you have done all the four names are here. Yes. Good unit.
Good morning, sir. Our team is extremely happy to demonstrate how AI works.
You can straight away begin the topic. Introductory remark you can name other things. That slightly goes to the presentation.
Nowadays, artificial intelligence plays an important role in our society. Before getting into the topic, let us make some general knowledge about the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence was first introduced in the year of 1950 to 1956.
Converting the orders and language. At first, the artificial intelligence was clearly and it will convert the language to the part of the
Determining what was said. AI looks at which the content and the words were spoken most often and how frequently they were used together to determine name meaning. This process is known as predictive modeling. As my friend is going to continue the
Complex audio signal and digital features that can be processed by AI. Now let's come to the conclusion that activities which are within the present as going to represent the future are controlled by AI.
What exactly is that? There's no inner thing of AI. Can you understand? How does AI? For example, if I say something, it creates a sentence. What is the part of quick?
How voice recognition works with the AI artificial intelligence?
Artificial intelligence. Voice recognition, also known as speech recognition, is a technology that enables computers to understand and interpret spoken language. It's a fascinating field that has seen rapid advancements thanks to artificial intelligence.
We are the team of industrial makers where we have made
Industry makers.
textile industry and cotton industry where AI is used in a large amount.
Very nice. You became
Yes, sir.
industrialist.
Yes, sir. And AI is used in textile industry to make the new designs. So,
So new designs of clothing.
they can innovate new ideas for the market and they can get more and more
Amazing.
sales.
Next
Yes,
one.
there are many ways to use AI in textile. I'm going to speak about
Only one way you say.
production is the second way where AI can be used in textile industry. It helps in automate and optimize the production process.
Production purpose.
AI can also be used efficiently in two ways. Sir, quality control sustainability. Quality control is
Yeah, that is the important part.
the future of AI in the textile industry is very promising that it will be playing a major role in transforming many sectors.
Yes. That's a good sign. Thank you very much. Very nice.
Good morning, sir. Our project was how AI is implemented in education institutions. Today, AI is taking up jobs of potential workers from big companies and workers are replaced by machines. Without any further ado, my friend Eti will continue.
We know how AI is used in education institutions. As you can see that there are many robots in our project and after 20 to 30 years it is really going to happen that teachers are going to be replaced by robots.
Yes. We don't want teachers.
As you can see in our project, AI tools are used in education institution and two kinds of
These are some of the things. Grammar, English. This I have heard. Next one, anybody?
Yes, sir. And
One more line.
can see something that we have this whiteboard and blackboard, but now in our we have fully AI generated smart cities.
In conclusion, it is estimated after 2 to 3 decades there will be no teachers and only robots will take a class for our next
You
generation.
decide whether founder senior principal is required or not.
New AI is
Clap, clap. Look at the camera.
Good morning, sir. We are from Team Cybersecurity. I'm going to explain to you about what is cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the process of protecting networks and data from unauthorized access and attacks. Cybersecurity also prevents cyber
One
attacks.
line.
What is prevention in cybersecurity? Implementing measures such as firewall encryptions and cybersecurity passwords to prevent unauthorized access and attacks on a
For
cybersecurity
example,
system.
uncle virus. What virus? One uncle virus is there, no? Antivirus.
Antivirus. It's prevent to unauthorized access and attacks on the system.
OA is used for cybersecurity. Enhanced detection. AI can analyze vast amount of data quickly to identify unusual patterns and potential threats.
It's helpful, no? In the fraud on the system, when people are there is a separate cyber gang.
It ensures a more safe and secure artificial
Very nice
Good
development.
morning, sir. We are going to explain how AI is implemented in healthcare industry. Now my friend Kishore is going to give part of this.
Artificial intelligence in healthcare is used to analyze various treatment techniques and to prevent them.
AI tools can be used to streamline data collection and management. It breaks down data silos, optimize trial enrollment, and more in medical researches.
AI can help doctors and medical providers deliver them a more accurate diagnosis and treatment plans.
In conclusion, the use of AI in the healthcare industry has the potential to enhance the quality of care and improve
That is the problem now.
Good morning, sir.
Topics all about data intellectual scammers.
Cameras.
Who uses AI to do the sophisticated scam. The term intellectual scammer can refer to individuals who use sophisticated methods, including AI to test.
Some of the AI tools that are used in misusing the AI are chatbots, voice cloning, fake annotation, and phishing.
Quite funny. AI technology can grow was based on short audio sampling. Cameras could use this to determine impersonate someone like a victim. Important AI can detect fake images, videos, on which cameras might be used to fake products.
Finding fake products.
Remember, the vigilance and quick action can help to protect yourself and others from fraudsters.
Yes, do.
Voice
Take any time, no time for.
The voice has been cloned, sir. If we give a sentence in here, our voice is the AI will be.
I experimented. Once I was shown this, I know this, but it's a great thing. You keep in touch with that. Not only on night mode, all days you should keep in touch.
We are going to explain how AI and blockchain work. Not to explain what is blockchain. What is blockchain? Blockchain is an expanding list that maintains a permanent record of an transaction.
That's called blockchain. New term. I do not know.
What is a blockchain? Blockchain is an expanding list that maintains a permanent record of transaction in a safe order and artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. The world. Both are found in distinct ways.
Both the promise of transforming technology and enhancing efficiency and compliance.
For example, in scroll to a feed, AI algorithm analyzes likes, comments, posts, and shares.
Facebook uses AI in several ways, helping at removing inappropriate posts and helps you to identify friends in photos and offers automatic tagging service.
But inappropriate posts mostly continue. It's not erased, removed.
Google utilize AI across the service and include Google Searches and Google Photos. Google uses AI algorithm process queries to give a more similar WhatsApp employs AI primarily in chat management and security. In conclusion, AI is integral to
Very nice, very nice.
mitigating disasters and ensuring managing. Smart cities and technically
highly advanced urban area by using different types of technology to develop the country. The smart city use advanced technology and data to increase the city resources.
Including AI.
Honest.
Concept of smart city increases the rate of employment and benefits. It helps to reduce the corruption and gain of increasing the share of renewable resources in the final sector.
Normally, this technology reduces the need for HR. But here, smart city is a big problem. We have a small thing. We have visited Bondi Bazaar. There's a smart road. There is a system it's operating. When you visit, you can find how AI also is operating.
Need for smart city. By 2030, 60% of the world's population is expected to live in cities that heavy strain in electricity, transportation, water,
The smart cities are developed mostly out of metros. Well done, sir. Well done. Very nice. This is many rooms. You are captured the first line.
Good morning to everyone who are gathered here. We welcome our senior principal sir and ma'am to our amazing Aimat Expo. So the main concept covered by our class is solar technology and the integration of AI in housing. Hello, the parents.
Good morning, sir. I'm going to our project is about the light follower and it contains the following component as the Arduino Uno, RCA and motor feed, two IR sensors, which is infrared sensors with sensors per line, and two gear motors and a 3.75 lithium battery.
So the two IR sensors take the line and the 3.5
Are you going to work it out?
Yes.
Make it, let him explain.
The 3.5 volts lithium battery gives power to the.
Sir, it will follow the line. Follow the line. Oh, this line. Yes.
Good morning, sir. This project is to showcase the process of extraction of crude oil or petroleum from Earth's crust. To showcase the importance of oil rig, which is present. There are two types of oil rigs, onshore and offshore. That's what you are showcasing.
The AI produces vast amount of data from seismic surveys, well logs, plots, prodding in scientific to decision making and exploration.
Where is crude oil taken from? In area?
Yes, sir.
Crude oil taken from?
The bedrock.
The importance of oil rig in everyday life is vast. It affects transportation, increases electricity, increases the heat, and increases the amount of goods produced within one of the necessities.
Good morning, sir. Our project is about how to extract hydroelectricity from this vast ocean. The ocean has a variety of applications. Generating electricity is one of the useful applications. Hydroelectricity can be generated from water.
Ocean has a lot of energy. We can generate a lot of energy from ocean and the hydrogen.
The water turbine is a machine which converts the kinetic and potential energy of water moving water to mechanical energy.
Ocean current occurs due to variety of disciplines like Korean sources. It mainly occurs when warm water temperature mixes with cold water occurs.
Good morning, sir. Our topic is Archimedes principle. Archimedes principle beautifully explains the law of buoyant force.
What is the Archimedes principle?
Archimedes put there.
In which when an object is submerged under fluid, it explains the upward force equal to the volume of the fluid displaced by it.
Determine the density of material required for making the product. Actually, this is Archimedes principle for optimization, prediction, and programming. This experiment shows how the weight.
Boys, only talk to the visitor. Don't talk to our student. Why are you talking to the others?
This experiment shows how the object.
Maintain side. Maintain side.
Submerging the soft water. This will reduce.
It was 72 grams.
Now it's a 58 reduces. Great idea.
Good morning, sir. This is our project on ocean. It helps in cleaning the ocean, which uses AI technology to take the garbage automatically.
Ma'am, come to side.
How can we clean up the how plastic pollution at the coast? Clean up the beaches.
You have to explain. Say sir and explain.
How louder voice?
Good morning, sir. Our project here is about turbidity sensor. Where turbidity sensor is the measurement of water clarity or transparency. Transparency
And components like slit, algae, sewage can cause clouding or make water cloudier. Our work uses AI. If it moves using liquid reagent and it measures an important parameter that is to be measured as per the
Printing of river, no, AI can play.
So you use this program in order to make the system replace artificial intelligence. It makes the system completely autonomous. AI can be used to automatically sort the water in real life applications to various uses.
Great job.
Good morning, thank you, sir. OCI of this country consists of foam bodies. These foam bodies are connected to high power and huge magnets.
This energy can be harnessed in local communities to reduce the local energy consumption. Tidal systems have long lifespan and low operation cost once they are installed. They contribute to long-term energy savings.
Conventional tidal electricity to electricity is not only economically viable, but electricity produced is higher
Making the tides.
To be converted into energy. That's why tidal power. Yes, nice.
Good morning, sir. Today we are going to talk about Good morning, sir. Sometimes the basis loss of economy and loss of faith. To prevent this loss of economy and loss of faith, going to explain the work Sir, this is water level sensor, sir. So when the water level is increased at the sea, it uses this is Arduino GSM model sensor, sir. So when we insert this water level sensor inside, it uses alerts. No, sir, we'll get one. Yes, sir.
Relax. Meanwhile, you explain.
Others explain.
It's called the dark system. Only that AI gets reduced. Dark system. You try to understand it, not what you are trying to understand how it works.
So one.
It's okay. Many times you get that.
Today we are presenting you our product on
Hi. What are you talking? This is an expo where you need to be silent. Only to the visitors you should come. Where is the teacher in charge? You try to control, otherwise we cancel this room expo. You want discipline. Sir, I'm not able to listen when the boy is talking because you are talking.
So they got that dialogue.
That's what I'm able to listen. Very good. Very nice brain. Keep it up. You are going to be an achiever.
Let us start with the basics. So now it's time for sound navigation in bridging. Technology utilizes sound signals to detect and locate objects underwater.
To illustrate how this works, we have built upon it using servo motor and ultrasonic sensors. This setup is connected to an app which locates objects within 40 centimeter radius on 164-degree field of view. Now let's talk about integration of AI. AI can significantly improve the economics of sonar by calculating large amount of data quickly and quickly. For example, AI algorithm can analyze sonar data to classify and identify underwater objects to predict the marine traffic.
Human to classify
AI can
underwater.
improve the precision of underwater mapping and exploration. By using machine learning, AI can learn from data.
Super, enough. Well done, children. Well done. Nice.
Sir, it's one more. You have left out sir. Orientation.
So we start from the left. Second one is start from there.
Good morning, sir. Our topic is ocean acidification and monitoring. pH is the measure of how many free hydrogen ions are present in the seawater. Here is the citric acid. So we can measure here with the help of pH. How is US government is involved in this is that some sensors are connected to the ships that are lowered down to the sea for a particular period of time.
Aviators and scientists at the National Oceanic Atmospheric Administration works with the engineers of liquid properties. This aviator can develop electrochemical process to decompose energy is used to combat ocean acidification. In this process, AI is indicate the pH of the temperature unique.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Online. Okay, I don't have time. Just to listen to your
Good morning, sir. Our topic is about
artificial intelligence is engine designed to armed forces to not promote advanced
Srimati West.
They will bring the ability to logic and will show the way to combat attack based on
I'm going to talk about the principles of AI intelligence. Use of advanced defense technologies such as ruleless aerial vehicles. Good morning, sir. Our topic is about artificial intelligence on naval forces. So we are going to use autonomous vehicles such as autonomous unmanned system of the back. It is provided with artificial intelligence.
AUP work on basic principles such as safety, fuel efficiency, decision making, adapting to the underwater environment, navigation.
So the working of this autonomous vehicle is basically principled on the combination of different advanced technologies.
Application varies. There are wide range of applications of AUVs. AUVs can be used in aerospace by developing autonomous drones which will help in surveillance.
What are the different forces of it?
Coastal defense.
That it is artificial intelligence.
Coastal defense, and there are two types of coastal defense. Coastal defense and coastal.
For example, static.
Even in F-16 is there. Covers data in space.
It's a computer language.
Today we have made using a 2 game, and we would like to play
You continue. Games they do.
Putting behind it.
to win Taiwan.
But it's not about unmanned drone vehicle. Unmanned drone vehicle is a vehicle that operates with contact with onboard message. It's autonomous.
It takes a sensor. I mean, now the method operating cars for delivery without driverless delivery. I'm going to talk about this. The model defines the obstacles and stops. Control system of autonomous E-cars.
So it's mainly used in the army as for handling explosives or in bomb disposal vehicles. Other applications include reconnaissance, target acquisition, and search.
தள்ளி வாங்க சார், சொல்லிட்டு நேரம் வாங்க. தள்ளி போங்க சார், தள்ளி அதான் அது வர வேண்டிய சைட்ல இருக்காங்க சார். என்ன பண்ணி சொன்ன உங்களுக்கு சைட்டை வாங்க.
Our topic is about cyber security. Cyber security is the practice of prevention of cyber crime. It is also known as information technology.
Computer virus third-party apps and other kind of unauthorized software.
Nice. The other room also they displayed about cyber security.
Good morning, sir. My project is about data. It is one of the oldest non-physics security that are used in many different situations.
Yes, sir. I saw the letter.
Additionally, we now project is the latest one from the area. In this latest of law, sound will be produced by we use other components like VC 547 and 2.2 TQA system. On this component, to move on its own and change the action in
have 7 components.
It has ultrasonic sensor which takes or sees the sees something. So it immediately stops the coding
This is the main component. This is the Arduino board where the coding is
This is called Arduino board.
This takes the input from the ultrasonic sensor and sends the output signal to every component.
I'll give it a Next.
Camera sensor, motor drive, motor, 2 camera sensor, DSP 32.
I'm going to say about the future of AI. The future of AI is poised to be transformative with several key trends and advancement expected to shape.
Let us look forward. Next. Here. Yes, Short.
Welcome to our project Arduino and sir, let us before going to our topic, let us talk about the mechanism of it.
Quick. One line fast.
The missile will be launched by detecting the navigation system of the opposite missile, and it will collide in a higher altitude.
Yes. Next one.
It contains the guidance system. It helps provide the trajectory to measure the trajectory of the target. It contains one of the most important sensors.
Next one.
So it has MIND.
Got MIND.
Imagine a spacecraft that navigates through the cosmos with its own. Next one, which is the ultimate aim of the project is to replace humans with robots. Here's the sensor. The need to replace humans with robots because the fuel cost drastically increase for humans to carry food.
Next one.
Known as internal meters, a layer of insulation, so that when it goes from one place to another, it can.
Enough. What is your work?
As resources on Earth are getting depleted, we need to go.
Sir, we could avoid obstacles and turn on its own.
When you see object, but going towards the object.
Because like after we could avoid and turn.
As resources on Earth are getting depleted, we need to go out in space for asteroids that we can mine them and extend those have greatly advanced human.
Understand what is the working characteristics about this one.
So if you show input to the robot, it will give outputs and any one of the four bacteria picture, sir. If you show the bacteria picture, it will send outputs, sir. Here near the sensor.
No problem. You understand it, made it work. Yeah, that's coming. Thank you, sir.
The principles of the black hole. The first basic principle of the black hole is known as singularity. At the center of the black hole, the gravity is so dense, the space and time are infinitely covered.
There are 4 types of black holes. In this 3 types of in this 3 are rare and one is common. That is deep black holes.
The interesting fact about the black hole is that each charge we spend near the black hole is nearly equal to 7 years of light energy.
Good morning, sir. This is our solar observation telescope. Prepare well to be captured by the radioactivity and scientific activity of the process practice.
Solar observatory telescope are designed to capture and focus the sunlight. They typically use large mirrors or lenses to gather the light effectively.
This is a solar observatory telescope working remotely. To observe the image, the eye of the observer must face the little distance as the eyepiece. After placing the solar filter, the image becomes dim and darker. Everybody is shaking. The light from the sun first enters a UV receptive film and then
Thank you, sir. Our topic is demonstration of Mons Kepler, German astronomer who discovered three fundamental laws of planetary motion known as Kepler's law. Some specific uses of Kepler's law are predicting planetary motion, understanding Kepler's law describes the path and speed of the planet as they are and planet.
The principle behind the Kepler's law, gravitational attraction. Sun's gravity attracts the gravity of Sun's gravity attracts the planet to the orbit. Kepler's first law states that consider a planet orbiting the sun in elliptical path. Use elliptical path. Second law states that this planet moves from this point, area AB is equal to AD. Besides the circuiting part with the help of integrated circuits, it is called ICs. ICs are with the use it is called integrated circuit, which is used to process analog signals with the sound lights. And I use the LDR. LDR is a tiny light sensing device which is also called photoresistor and a 10K resistor.
Time is related to the observer and we can travel a large amount of distance in short amount of time as time slows down for him. And
Now what Newton said was that gravity was a pull between two objects. But what Einstein said is that it's not just a pull between two objects. It was actually a mass of a really heavy object such as the sun creating a dent in the space. This curvature is what we experience as gravity.
Einstein also predicted that Einstein also predicted that light waves along the curvature of space-time created the
Uses of this. The fundamental space-time bending is a fundamental theory, the general theory of relativity of the Einstein.
Good morning, sir. For the use of it, we describe that change in frequency or wavelength of the wave relation to of the wave moving related to the source of wave. It commonly experienced in a sound wave, but also as an electromagnetic wave such as the
The Doppler shift occurs when the source of the wave and the observers are moving relatively close to each other. If they move closer to each other,
Any object comes near the other, wave get compressed. That is subduction. When it gets refracted from the object, the wave get elongated. We prove by coding this is subduction. This is compressed when the object came near the earth. And black is the normal shift which is placed in the atmosphere. And red is the tie diffracted black one. This one. This is normal wave present in the atmosphere.
astronomers use the Doppler shift to measure the speed of the action of the star. It also helps in understanding the expansion of the universe and check
answers all our question including studies and other activities. This chatbot, which was created with the help of Python, Java coding and its use of complex process. This chatbot
our other project is about education-based chatbot, which is created using CHG. It's a website which uses 4.5 ChatGPT, which uses the speed of the 3.5 ChatGPT. Now, it helps in the learning process of students in difficult subjects such as physics, chemistry, maths, and computer science.
Even what the teacher cannot do.
Yes, these intelligent systems use artificial intelligence to chat with us like humans and solve questions and answer problems. 24/7.
So, Bob, welcome, sir. Our topic is geostationary satellite. Sir, do you have any idea of geostationary satellite? Sir, geostationary satellite
takes the altitude of 20 to 300 miles or 3500 kilometers, and it travels.
Kilometers above.
Sir.
20,000 kilometers high.
20 to 3, approximately 20 to 300 miles. Yes, sir. And this travels west to east and take 24 hours, sir. Thank you.
The principle of the geostationary satellite is the satellite can achieve a 24-hour orbit only at the 22,300 mile altitude.
What are the uses of this satellite? In what way is it helpful to humans?
Telecommunications.
That's the point. That is the one which major benefit is telecommunication. Yes, next.
Even you too. Use it to represent the orbit of the Earth.
Nothing is that.
Use the spokes to represent the orbit of the Earth, and place the motor on one side of the orbit. We attach Earth to the motor. We attach the satellites to the Earth. As soon as we turn on the
So before launching the satellite, all these things will be taken care of. Before launching, they will make it work.
Uses of geostationary satellites. A single geostationary satellite can cover 1/3 of Earth's surface. 3 such satellites separate from helps to cover entire Earth's surface, wherever it positioned in the equator.
Find in Google how many satellites are there. Many are there.
Good morning, sir. We are going to explain about AI life server now.
As John is also known as UAV and unmanned aerial vehicles, which is controlled using a remote or an onboard computer. It transports medical supplies from the city to the remote areas where the villages are. Emergencies every seconds are common. Traditional transportation faces more difficult challenges like traffic, natural obstacles, and long distance. To overcome this
Good morning, sir. I am Kolathur from 9th grade. I am going to talk about P.C. Mahalanobis. He is an Indian scientist and a statistician. He was well known for his Mahalanobis statistics.
Good morning, sir. Today we are going to explain about quadrilaters. Quadrilaters are polygons with 4 sides and 4 angles. During 19th century, the mathematician called Frederick Gauss and Augustin Louis Cauchy made first quadrilateral theory.
According to the quadrilateral theory, there are many tests, properties and real-life applications for quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral derives from Latin word quadra means 4, lateral means sides.
Super.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. See the facts and transform geometry. Hello, everyone. Today we are going to see the facts and transform geometry. Take the right-hand diagonal. Transform to this path and first to understand the relationship between the and zero.
Now we have an idea about conversion of one object to another. Let us go through some of the examples. The triangle rotates the shape of the object in each cone. The cone that has its apex are like directly above the center of the base. The cone is formed by the rotation of a right angle triangle.
Now there are many different designs and shapes used to form a complete shape. We can shape 2D shape to 3D shape. If rectangle rotates side, it can be a cylinder shape.
By knowing the simple right angle triangle, we have created a complex and interesting code. This project demonstrates the power of geometry and how 2D shapes can transform into 3D objects. Thank you for joining me in this mathematical.
Thank you, sir.
It's working.
So, what about you?
So they will be saying 100 pi by the values.
You want to check whether that's correct or not?
There's no time. That's the
So
time. 100 is
then finish in 2 minutes.
3.5.
Saying I will concentrate here.
Yes, sir. Finish, sir.
8214, 82, 86, 5, 1, 32, 82, 3, 6, 4,
Very nice, very nice.
Good morning, sir. In this, we are going to explain about the review system used in cricket and the review system used in football. The review system used in cricket.
One line I say, next one.
The full form of DRS is Decision Review System and the full form of VRS is Video Assistant Referee.
Here is first introduced in the friendly match between Italy and France. It started the match between Ajax and DRS was first introduced in 2009 and it was officially launched by ICC. What is review system and why it is used? Review system is a tool which is used by umpires to take correct decisions in a match.
Even in cricket, that kind of thing.
Good morning, sir. Today we are going to talk about types of graphs. Graphs are a visual representation of data using to compare and contrast. Graph is a visual representation of data using bars or different heights to compare and contrast data across different categories.
Pie chart requires a list of variables and categories and numerical variables.
A line graph is a value of representation of data that shows in the trends and patterns the connected points. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Our Expo topic is about the postulates of geometry. It is a defined line, point, and a shape. It is the study of plane geometry and solid geometry. Let's see about the 5 postulates of Euclid. The postulates of Euclid geometry have numerous applications in various fields, including postulate 1 engineering, postulate 2 architecture, postulate 3 GPS and mapping.
Postulate 2 architecture. The art and techniques of design, building structure and skill associated with constructions.
Postulate 3 GPS and mapping geometry principles are used in GPS system and mapping. Thank you.
Bright morning, sir. Bright morning, sir. Today we are going to explain an interesting topic. Can you cut the beautiful butterfly in middle? What we get is symmetrical half. There are 4 types of symmetry: translation symmetry, rotational symmetry, reflection symmetry, and light symmetry. In this we use some of your words which we see in our daily life, like giant stars, good morning, such as sunflower, comb, maize, grape, etc.
So an arithmetic progression is a system with each term are obtained by adding a fixed number to its preceding term except the sum.
The general term of AP is an equal to A plus n minus 1 is 9.7, 19.4, 39.7.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, good morning.
Ever lead, ever inspire, ever nice.
Sir, this model is based on our great, innovative and inspiring dynamic Everwin school. Sir, now Santosh will explain this model briefly.
This is our hope block, this is our focus block. Though the school has many rules and regulations, this school is close in our heart. But our model is about how much close is rise and focus are. Nowadays we are finding the distance between 2 places by satellite maps. Now Jashan will say briefly about the applications.
Do you know what is the concept behind that? The concept of coordinate geometry. This is geometry is position of a particular point is determined by coordinates to latitude and longitude. We are finding the place of the particular place using geometry.
Oh, you made our structures bringing under the geometrical percentage.
For finding the between 2 places, we want to use distance formula. Root x2 minus x1 the whole square minus root 2 minus y2 minus y1 the whole square.
Distance between the 2 structures. Now, did you find the distance between focus and hope? How many meters?
Focus to rise is 4 meter.
4 meter?
40 meter. From ever rise to ever leave is
90 meters. 90 meters. Okay. Approximately. Okay, nice. Okay, great. Well done. But anyway, great idea to become a realistic example where we are learning. Great idea.
Google, they
Good morning,
took
sir.
the meter.
We are here to explain about the value of pi. The value of pi is the ratio of the circumference of a circle by its diameter. The approximate value of a pi is 3.14 non-terminating non-decaying.
Arguments was the
Didn't
first.
bring any pi because most people are talking.
Arguments was the first person to calculate an accurate estimate for pi.
The common topic is the topics when you are it's sharing of there we saw pi regarding pi every room there is something like this. If you are connected to mathematics.
Arguments was the first person to calculate an accurate estimate for pi. We discovered.
So I'm taking the same, I put the radius as 9 centimeters. So I'm taking the same circle here. I have drawn one of the diameters. So I am starting from here. We are getting 2.14. So
This is the value of
3 point is 22 by 7. Great.
the distance around the boundary of circle is called circumference. The formula of circumference is 2 pi r of pi d.
Same like.
Good morning, sir. We all enjoy watching cricket. 2024 T20 World Cup was won by India. It's a proud moment for all of us. Here we are going to explain about area of circle. For example, in Ahmedabad we have Modi Stadium. It is circular in shape.
So we are going to explain how to find the area of a circular region. If you divide the circle into equal parts, that exactly gives you a rectangle.
Where length is arm of the circumference of the circle, breadth is the radius of the circle. Here is the list of cricket stadium which are in
Most of the stadiums are circular. Very rarely in Australia, some of the stadiums are like rectangular because the area is vast. I mean, the areas. Otherwise, there is no option but to go for circular. Only then our 4s and 6s and 8s.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Geometron City. Geometron City includes many shapes like triangle, rectangle, cube, and etc. Definition of geometron is a cube is a dimensional shape of three-dimensional shape of square. A cube is a type of hexahedron, 6-faced polyhedron. All the sides and angles are equal. It has 6 faces. Rectangle. Tales of Milton is known to discover rectangle 600 bases. Rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. The diagonals bisect each other and the opposite sides are equal.
Triangle is the basic unit of shapes and triangle has 3 edges and 3 buttons. The real life application triangle is equal to clock that the first letter to circle attributed to date 650 BC. Circle is said to be convex if they have equal radii. Circle has one.
Sir, here are the working points.
Make it work. Super.
Thank you, sir.
No, wait.
Don't push me out.
Good morning, sir. Our team members are excited to showcase the model which we see in our daily life.
As our main theme is math in real life, we are choosing a topic that tells us about
Silence. No issue. You have to find out who is talking.
As our main theme is math in real life, we are choosing a topic that tells us about the applications of mathematics in daily life.
Many of us know that mathematics plays a vital role from morning to evening.
Here can the concept for trigonometry. The branch of mathematics is the angles and sides of triangles.
Like related
Working model is
Sir, excuse me, sir. Please, signature. Yes, sir. And more about interesting. Okay, sir. Favorite number.
Thereafter,
Sir, and selfie station. Ever been selfie station?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. I am a mathematician. I am going to ask this question. After that, I can have introduced that negative side.
10 minutes ago.
faces and the triangular faces that meet at a single vertex. Good morning, sir. I am a cone is the diameter geometric shape having a circular base.
Good morning, sir. I'm a circle. Circle is a shape of consisting all points on a plane are a given distance at given.
And sir, I'm a cylinder. A cylinder has two circular bases which is parallel and also diagonal. Sir, I am a 3D shape provide equal
Our next sphere is a special type of sphere. Some proof.
The defining characteristic of log is that angle phi between radical line and angle rotation, gradation, consists of two radiations, either conical or cylindrical. The surface of the area between the convex shape and the stone that we use to make the convex shape.
Egyptian hieroglyphs, archaeological, ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs and archaeological finds depicting this.
I will explain about Gandhi's chakra. Mahatma Gandhi's spinning wheel was often referred to as chakra. It was a symbol of self-sufficiency, economic independence, and resistance against the British colony.
spinning wheel played a crucial role in promoting the cottage industry and village economic in India.
I'm going to explain about probabilities of the process. A football is a great example to illustrate the concept of probability. Due to the unpredictable nature of the game's outcome, we challenge with the fundamental principles.
Multiple outcomes. Each time the ball hits a ball, sweeps or rolls
It's working, you start. Alright. Play. Life is a game. Play.
That property is because the adjacent river has the opposite side of a triangle.
tan is equal to opposite by adjacent side. That is 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree as hypotenuse.
Yes, ma'am.
Today we are going to talk about rhombus. Rhombus is a type of quadrilateral, four-sided quadrilateral all sides of big rhombus. It is also
Examples of rhombus. It is used in the direction and also maintains a side and
Tiles and floors and also like tile making.
Our topic is circle theorem 10.1. Circle theorem 10.1 states that the angle subtended by the diameter of circle to any point of circumference is a right angle.
According to the circle theorem 10.1, if you draw a line segment diameter which could be the center of the circle and steering and turning, when a vehicle turns, the radius of the turn dictates the angle subtended by the road surface to the triangle.
Standing effect of radiator already. It looks so huge and massive. It is not just good say.
This is the part where VR or virtual reality comes in. Engineers use 3D models in computers to see what fits and what do not fit.
This building is an example.
Virtual reality also helps engineers and architecture to work together. They build in different places and they look in different places.
The max used to construct bridges, F is equal to mg, where F is the force, m is the mass, and g is the acceleration due to gravity.
building is said to be a symmetric and it is irregular in shape or this is Leaning Tower of Pisa. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is originally is 184.5 feet. The capital gate of Abu Dhabi means at the angle of 18 degrees and has 35 gigantic doors.
We are going to explain to you the mathematics involved in the construction of this. And one of the architects against this notice the hydraulics. He immediately wanted to design a building like this. The tower is wide with strong core and single walls. This building is 820 meters high, boasting an advanced architecture. This building was constructed using the geometries of the desert level Hymenocalis. The center of the building is made of hexagonal shape and the geometry created according to the architect of
Understood how it works.
The geometry specifically used was which is hypergeometry is the
This is our model earthquake simulation. The
It explains about that mathematical concepts such as calculus, differential equations, and the linear algebra are utilized to describe elastic properties of the materials and the behavior of seismic waves.
The amount of energy present in the earthquake releases waves shakes to the Richter scale by the equation E is equal to 11.8 plus 1.5 E is equal to energy and time is equal to
Yes, yes, yes.
One way to make things strong is to use time by one more than using no more than 30 places and 30.
Load-bearing skyscrapers are taller, half-table buildings that are used to load-bearing structural systems to support their excellent force and seismic activities.
These structural system is designed to support the whole building through a combination of steel frames, force.
There are some testing that we can do on for model. They are compression tests. Apply weight or pressure to the model to test its physical.
Mathematical structure of Everwin. It was designed by IFI and completed in 1989. Serves as the main entrance to Nordic Measurement Palace. Its design features a square design for traveler faces usually glass as nothing to get similar to a large Process calculus load, very rapid rate, etc. and social compression shear of the structure.
Physics strategies help to calculate the aging of forces and movement exert the structure in time.
Did I see you?
No, no.
When a tricycle travels on stairs, an interesting phenomenon occurs. Despite the wheels being square with a constant width, it can roll smoothly without the typical jarring bumps one might expect. This seemingly paradoxical behavior is due to a mathematical principle. I'm going to explain the curvature and the design of the wheels. The wheels have a straight edges, also designed to move smoothly in that bumps with the descent or ascent smoothly without any sudden jerks.
Super. Well done, well done. Very nice. Very nice.
Yes, ma'am. First floor, ma'am. Shall I?
Good morning, sir. Yeah, welcome to the development.
This subject was originally developed to solve mathematical
Good morning, sir. Our topic is surface area to all surface area. Surface area is used to
Solid shape.
surface area is a total area of all the surface of the three dimensional. It is used to construction and
space occupied by three-dimensional object is called volume. This also mentioned cubic units like
Surface area of a cube is 60 square.
She's only taking it.
Good morning, sir. Today we are going to explain to you about the speed of a boat. One type of the polynomial is called quadratic polynomial in the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. When we equal to 0,
To find the speed of the boat, if a boat or a swimmer travels in the opposite direction of the stream, then it is called upstream. Suppose
If a boat or swimmer move in the same direction in stream, it is called downstream.
Downstream, same direction, same when we move in the same direction, downstream.
Good morning, sir. We are going to tell you about area and perimeter. Area and perimeter are two properties of 2D shapes.
there are many formulas to measure shape. For example, the area of circle is pi into r square and the perimeter is 2 pi r. Let me give you an example in this box. If you want to add some sand in this box, then we need to know the area of it. The area of the park is 400 centimeters square, and on the other hand, if you want to fence the park, then
This farmer, if the farmer wants to fence his land, he uses the perimeter, and if he wants to irrigate his land, he uses the area.
You said I'm going to tell to you. Okay, you should say tell you. I usually say in the endings I have said say tell the difference.
Good morning, sir. Today we are going to explain to you about conic section.
The conic section conic or a quadratic curve is often from a stone surface intersecting a plane.
In conic section, the ellipse can have various distribution properties.
In analytic geometry, a conic will be divided into a plane and square curve of degree 2.
Good morning, sir. I am here to explain about what is A. A refers to the computer system that performs specified tasks given to the user in the form of program. And friends will explain about the components. There are two or three models for this. Smart car and smart dustbin.
Smart car, sir. Smart car has four wheel with a submotor, sir, and connected with a Bluetooth motherboard, and runs by 3.7 power board. Super. We made apps for this to connect with the motherboard. You can control this. Left hand.
This also, no?
Yes, sir. That is
We made SP company great work.
I'm going to explain about the uses of smart dustbin, sir. Smart dustbin. Waste management is becoming complex and difficult day by day. So for the solution to this problem, we have created a smart dustbin, sir.
How it works?
Yes, sir.
It works by ultrasonic sensor by connecting nanoboard.
Yes, sir.
Ultrasonic sensor, it will be observed.
When some properties come here, the sensor is on.
What distance does it attract?
2 inches. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. Today we are going to explain to you about the magic square. It is an interesting game. It is improve the power of concentration.
Magic square is defined as a square which contains several distinct integers arranged so the sum of the total numbers is the same in every row, every column, and the main like this. Not the magic value. The first step is to find the magic constant.
By using the formula of m equal to n into n power 2 plus 1 into z, so
In coordinates,
Let me tell about this other quality. Rhombus, trapezium, and rhombus is all sides are equal, opposite angles are equal. Trapezium is opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles.
However, focus on small difference. A plus b the whole cube formula. This A plus b the whole cube formula generates to find the cube of algebraic exist of binomial and some trinomial.
But this is a
This is a formula. So indicates that for to prove it, this is a cube, and this we have
plus B3.
plus b cube is a b cube, and we have 3. So these two sides are a. So a square 3a square b
Plus
and
3
plus here 3 sides. This is b side and this is a. So
Thank you.
I discovered the concept of zero place value system and algebraic
I am ready to create French mathematician in this competition. So I solved the problem of describing the position of a point.
Good morning, sir. I am C.S. Eshadi. I invented the standard market. I was awarded Padma Bhushan 2009. Thank you.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. Good morning, sir. I am Subhash. I am an Indian-American mathematician and also a theoretical computer scientist. And I invented a theory called UGC, Unique Gate Conjecture, which is used for explaining some unsolved math problems.
Good morning, sir. I am a geometer and logician. They call me as father of geometry. Now we can see some mathematical formulas. A square plus b square is equal to C.
A lot of inspiration from your note. You get inspired. It's a great thing. Just one line. I want out time. I'm running out of time. Quick.
Good morning, sir. This is Kallanai Dam.
Karanai Dam was built by interlocking stone in the river bed, which is when we place an object like a stone on river bed.
One line.
So they made the equation x is equal to y by 5. X input as mass and y output as
That's
depth.
great. More than 2,000 years. No? We applying that mathematics. Great. Very gallant.
Good afternoon, sir.
Very nice word. Most people they say the word round can. Roundable, correct word. In other countries they are using roundable.
And the roundabout circular design and its free-flowing altitude reduces.
Morning, sir. We are going to speak about Kalyan. Today explain to you about some major measurements of Kalyan Dam. The length of Kalyan Dam is 329 meters, which is 1079 feet, and the width of 39 width of Kalyan Dam is 20 meters, which is 66 feet.
This dam's shape and design are based on the geometrical calculation. Triangular methods are used to find the mapping of dams.
Mathematical equation describe what is the including centers.
Kalyan Dam is generated to the British in 1950.
Maybe that is a word. It's also have seen it.
Excuse me.
Okay, you carry on.
There are many instruments used in Jantar Mantar. We got to say about one of the instruments used in Jantar Mantar is Kapalanta. Kapalanta used to demonstrate to indicate the transference of one card to another. One of the they are it is an arrow. It is an arrow.
Okay. Remember again, I will come.
It also makes measurement of the just
Loudly.
The fort that is made in the east is the second largest fort of the Great Wall of China. It is none other but Kumbhalkala Fort in Rajasthan.
The fort is 3,600 meters feet tall and 38 kilometers long, which almost surrounds the area of Udaipur. This fort is built height of the kilometer 22 meters, making it among the longest wall in the world.
Super, he said.
It is arrow to be split in a concave shape. The Taj Mahal built by Shah Jahan in 1632 is an astounding example of Mughal architecture. It was constructed as a tomb for his wife Nusrat Mahal. Nothing is perfect in this world. The four minarets are slightly graded outward. This is constructed using trigonometry.
So no perfect, no same uniform.
Nothing is perfect in this world, sir.
But normally they say all four are same.
But it is slightly tilted outward so that if any natural disaster occurs, it can stand perfectly.
There is an idea behind it.
The Taj Mahal exterior is characterized by white marble, true not only of beauty and ability to reflect the sunlight. This can
Two effects are made to protect Taj Mahal using modern scientific method.
Bonjour.
The
The height of Pisa Tower is about 55.86 meters from the ground level on the low side and 6.67 meters from the high side.
As the tower began to lean, the tilt had reached 5.5 degrees from the vertical by 1990.
The right angle and side angle are supplementary to each other.
Already this was also done somewhere.
Good morning, sir. We welcome you to the world of the Egyptian times. The speciality of Egypt is 10 pyramids.
Great Pyramid of Giza is also called the Pyramid of Giza and Pyramid of Cheops.
We measure each side of the pyramid that are facing either north, south, east and west.
There are three low chambers inside the pyramid. The lowest chamber cut into the bedrock upon the pyramid was built an architect.
The lowest. Thank you so nice. Very nice. Next month I'm going.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Today we are going to see about Statue of Unity. Statue of Unity became the world's tallest statue with 182 meters, leaving all the 7 wonders of the world.
The statue made is 75,000 cubic meters from 5,700 frames of 6 inches.
The sculpture is made by Indian company National and Dobro in Island Southern River Bank of Narmada.
Around 5,000 tons of steel were collected through campaign called Statue of Unity.
5,000 tons of steel for the steel man.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. Building is strong. It's built by works from it was
Where is Pentagon?
It was built by works from and it was contracted by John
Pyramid. Pyramid is a basic and earlier style of architecture of Egyptian people.
It was built with rock one by one another. It's like arrangement of
What is this? There is a name. You have to write it.
The organization was possible year after year. You can see this names are the leaves of the branches of the leaves. Petals of the curves and
Good morning, sir. In July 8, 2024, a significant Hindu festival called Rath Yatra is held from
The main temple has a curvilinear shape with the chakra of Lord Vishnu at the top. This chakra is
The latitudinal extent of Jagannath Puri is 19 degree 48 minutes 10.1 times seconds north.
The wings are extremely strong where the birds will fly at the long altitude.
Good morning, sir. We will explain about the Tanjore Temple. Tanjore Vidhyashram Temple is one of the world unsung world wonders which still keeps the people excited after watching it.
The 64.8 meter towering Shiva temple is home to one of the largest Shiva lingas of the country. The Tanjore paintings are panel paintings made on wooden planks called
64 meters.
The height of Lord Shiva is 12 feet, the height of Sivalangam is 18 feet, the height of Gopalapuram is 260 feet, the distance between Nandi and Sivalangam is 240 feet.
Tanjore is found in last period. Construction does not cast a shadow on the roof. Architects contribute to engineers to extend that the way shown that is where the structure of
It's very tough work. In the absence of electricity those days, they used several elephants make a ramp to the peak, brought a single stone structures. Very Himalayan task, but they did it. Very nice.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
I'm going to talk about features of UPI transactions. UPI transactions can be used to pay mobile bills, loans, funds, etc. I'm going to talk about the advantages of UPI transactions. You can link multiple bank accounts to the platform and make it safe.
Make it easy.
I'm going to talk about disadvantages of UPI transactions. They are delaying settlement due to network or cyber issues. Only 60 digits cannot be strong enough.
Problem is there.
Our team is going to talk about history of currency. Indian rupee Federation of Taxes and Rupiah, which means
Ancient Indians, along with the Chinese and Indians from the Middle East, were the early issues of a coin.
The paper currency in India was first issued by the Hindustan General Bank in Bengal during 18th century.
18th century.
The value of Indian currency at the time of independence was only 3.3, but now it has raised up to rupees 8.
I'm going to talk about gold. Gold is the only metal that is yellowish or golden in color. Other metals may develop a yellowish color when they are oxygenated or reacted with some other chemicals.
Pure elemental
So we
gold
call
is
it yellow metal.
pure elemental gold is 24 karat, while 18 karat gold is 73%.
According to the survey of 2011, gold rate was around 52,000 rupees and it was
The gold was named by Roman Emperor and coins were named also and key figures.
class teachers not
Photograph is also known as a stop. It was invented around 1500 BC, exactly in 1583 BC.
Now I'm going to explain about Sandcloth. Sandcloth is also known as Harvest. Harvest can measure diversity and sand places upper by 12 or Harvest is sand quantity and measure approximately.
I'm going to explain about Sunday. Sunday is the ancient time period that rely on such particular signal personal
Who invented the electric clock? In 1840, Alexander made a Scottish clock and a coin maker was the first inventor and battery electric clock.
Written on article, dial SL for LS. Tell you, sunlight for long light.
I'm going to explain to you about equinox. We usually think that days are longer in summer and nights are longer in winter, but it is not entirely true.
Oh, like that. Equal.
I'm going to explain to you about types of equinox. Equinox occurs twice in a year, usually on 20th March and 20.
Equinox.
I'm going to explain about econ. It is the areas of the planet in which the sound. It is the areas of the planet in which the.
What we can say after the whole sentence.
We are going to talk about bank. I'm going to introduce bank is financial institution that license to accept checking and save deposit and make loans. Bank is also banking.
After listening to me, finish. Here you start.
We are going to explain to you the banking system.
Financial institutions. The bank consists of institutions like commercial banks, state banks, and credit unions that provides financial services.
Credit creation banks have the ability to create money through the lending process where they issue loans that are deposited into accounts, effectively creating new deposits. We are going to explain about the working of ATM machine. ATM is electronic telecommunication device that enables us to perform financial transactions.
Who invented ATM? ATM was invented by John and He was called
ATM was invented on 27 June 1967. Largest bank introduced the world's first ATM.
I'm going to demonstrate the working of ATM machine.
Okay, you put your board closely for maintenance.
Yeah, it's coming.
Deposit. Super. That's a great boy. Great boy. Very nice. Very nice. I will arrest you for gold currency. Okay, nice man. Okay, next time you continue.
We have used this code to run the program. This code here enables us to see the final score, and the score above it.
Development in this.
We have used these three libraries so as to work in this program. TK, that is Tinker. We have used it to us to get a dark background. This one to us to get blindness is a lack of vision. So we are beside the blindness. We are beside the problem that is the blindness.
Ultrasound sensor, ultra nanochip, and jumper cable and the
It will stop and then proceed.
detection compressor will be this wall is
Well done, children.